What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and this video is going to be on why you shouldn't drop ship long term on Dhgate and Aliexpress, when it comes to drop shipping on eBay. So, if you don't know what drop shipping is, basically, quick rundown is you put a listing over here on eBay. Whenever you get an order, you put that customer's address and information over here on Dhgate or AliExpress, and then you literally use the money they just gave you to buy the product over here for cheaper. So, for example, let's say you were buying these shoes for $3 and you were selling them for $20 on eBay. Once you got the sell on eBay for $20, you would take the $20 they just gave you, come over here, buy the product for $3, and get it sent to their house, right? It seems like the perfect plan, but there are some downfalls to this, especially when you're using AliExpress, DHgate, and stuff like that. Because when it comes to those places, a lot of the products you're going to get is coming from China, just like really far away places. So it's going to literally take a week. I mean, not a week, like 2, 3, 4, even like sometimes like 6, 7, 8 weeks for people to get their product. And even if it says on DHgate or AliExpress it's going to be there on, let's say, like the 21st, like, oh, it's going to be there on the 21st. There's no guarantee it's going to be there on the 21st. So that does suck, not to mention you're playing middleman here. So when the customer orders from you over here on eBay and the product says it's going to be there on the 21st and it's not there, right? So who are they mad at? Like, dude, where's the product at? Where is it at? Now they want to open up a case against you. They want a refund, the whole 9 yards, right? So now you're going to lose money on the product and you're going to lose, basically you're just going to lose money, right? So you shouldn't do it long term. This is just my game plan here. Oh, if you didn't check the Facebook, basically I made a post earlier today. I've been selling for about 2 weeks over here on eBay and whatnot, and we maxed out 13 accounts pretty much doing this same exact method that I'm about to tell you guys right now. So what you do, guys, is basically you go and you put up a listing over on eBay, obviously, right? And the best part about the whole eBay selling part is that you don't have to spend any money, just like how you would on Amazon. You don't have to spend any money, and if you're selling the right stuff, you're not gonna have to use any PPC advertising, any sponsor posts, none of that. You put the product up there, boom, you get sales. Like, it's literally just that simple. So you put your listing up there, and then you're just gonna basically test it out with your first, see how many sales you get. So let's say you get like 5 sales the very first day. That's a good product. Time to buy some more of it, right? So once you are out, now obviously you can go through and test some more and stuff like that. But if you know for a fact the product is going to sell, you can just go buy some of it, all right? But let's say you get 5 the very first day of doing it. And, when you order those 5, you're going to basically go to DHgate or AliExpress, wherever you're getting your stuff from, all right? All right, so then let's say you drop ship their stuff, you put in their information, you order 5, you get 5 orders going, you're right in there like they're going out. So at the same time, you also want to order some to yourself. So let's say you order like 30 of that particular item, and then you get those items sent directly to you. Now that's going to be way better. Now for these 5 up here, don't count those as profit. Don't spend the money, nothing. All right. You do not spend the money for these. You want to make sure you have at least enough money for 5 of them, because when you're drop shipping, again, you cannot, for the most part, depending on which shipping you're using, but if you're using like the DHL one or something like that, you can't give them a tracking code, right? So basically, they're going to be on your heels, like, hey, where's the tracking code, stuff like that. So when it's these 5 right here, and someone hits me up for a tracking code, or like, hey, the product still hasn't gotten here, or whatever the case may be, what I like to do is like, hey, sorry, we didn't send your stuff out, even though we like already made the order days ago. Like, hey, sorry, we had a shipping problem or whatever on our end. Make blame whatever, right? We're gonna give you $20 off your order. Send them $20 or whatever, and then from there, like, hey, if it's not there within the next 4 days, we're just gonna refund you, and you get to keep the product. There you go. Just do it that way. I'm telling you guys, it's going to be a huge pain in the ass, and then 9 out of 10, they're still going to, just ask them for a review, right? So that's the best thing you can do, in my opinion, because again, like when you drop ship, unless they know up front that it's going to take 2, 3, 4, and 5 weeks or whatever, which a lot of people aren't going to order from you if it says like blatantly right there, oh, it's going to take 5 weeks for you to get it. Who the hell is going to order that? They're going to go to the buddy down the street who, basically did what I just said and ordered a bunch of them to their house. And then now they can just take them to the UPS and then boom, 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 they get their product in 3 days. So that's what you want to do. So again, don't count these 5 sales in the beginning or however many you choose to do in the beginning or whatnot. Don't spend the money at all. Leave it in the account because again, if they want their money back or you have to give them a discount or whatever the case may be, just do it, because again, it just sucks ass, just keep it there because, you might say, oh, don't put any promotional receipts or anything like that in there. Let's say they do it anyway, right? Now they know that you paid $20 for the product and charged them 120. So just keep the money in there, for the first couple of purchases or whatever. But again, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think. Leave some comments down below and all that fun stuff.